So the big story of brake pads. So you would have seen in the video installation, I did not give an intro there. I just went straight ahead and installing. So this is the brake pad that I got with Brembo. Of course, this doesn't have the original one. You would have seen the one that was put on the motorcycle itself. So here is the story of EBC. All right. So this brake pads, basically what happens, this was doing its job, but I had a very bad feeling riding in the Super Sport. At least a lot of people recommended it's good, only in the way of it is slightly cheaper. See amount of carbon it catches, right? And the worst part is I heard a lot of feedback about saying that it is actually eating the rotor up. So that's one of the reasons I decided to go to Brembo. So Brembo, of course, it doesn't have this much of thickness, but it does have to an extent. And with that, one of the reasons I went for that is because of that. I paid about 9,000 per set. That's what I paid. I got it from MOTOVLOGGIng store Delhi. So that was the thing that I made, and of course it was set of two. And this I've less ridden like 500 kilometers. Even after putting steel braided lines, I felt that the brake wasn't that great. I did not feel that bite. It is progressive, but you get brick feeling after some time as well. Once it starts fading, actually it should not fade because it's not rubber hoses. And I really love the Nissan, so I think I wasted 6,000 for this. So hopefully I'll just give it off to someone or sell it off whomever they need, if at all it fits another model or my existing group. So with that, Brembo brake pads are beautiful. It has not been tuned to the rotor yet, but I just tried out the moment I fit. It was just having a really good feel. I feel it's going to be nice. So probably I'll just test it for more sometime, and you'll see in my next ride how exactly I feel about it. And with the new setup for 2023 Avatar, so you would have seen my AGV helmet visor unboxing as well, right? So this is a pretty good recommendation, I would say. Very closer to Nissan. I would say one notch over the Nissan. If I have to say that, I have to ride for longer time and see, because when I got the Nissan brake pads, it was on rubber hoses, so it did not actually make a good comparison. Because if it was there on steel braided lines, then if I make a comparison with Brembo, then that does make sense. And also the fluid that I had was a very basic normal fluid from Kawasaki. Recently when I got it changed, I changed it to one of the racing brake fluid from Liquimoli, right? So a lot of modification has been made. I think now the bike is complete for now. So I hope I don't invest more money in making any modifications. With that, I'll see another vlog, another content, and this is one of the reasons I went to Brembo. I would recommend Brembo after only I ride and I tell you about it, how I feel about it, right? With that, thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. Take care.